Hey everybody, this is Henry Vigent, founder of the Proven Health System. We are here today talking about the refund policy that they have on the starter pack of the Ultimate Starter Pack. So I am going to share my screen and then I'm going to go over what the actual product is and then also what the refund policy is from there. So what we have here when somebody comes on board, there's two levels. We have already talked about that. This is a basic level, all right, and that's going to be a couple pieces of product. But this is specifically, this video has to do with the product refund. So you can see that you get a lot of product. You're going to get 10 tests, 10 bottles, and then this FICO side, you get 3 of those bottles, 3 of the turmeric, and 3 spirulina. This right here is called it's a prebiotic. You get 2 of those, a couple extends, and also a couple Viva. Now you can look up these products and what they all do. This is what I personally take on a daily basis. So, anyways, as you see, it is an investment for your store. So you actually have your online franchise store, and it is $1,150. Okay. It also comes with the GoCore app. That is your the app that you can use on your phone. Also, the full membership of Zinzino is covered every month when you're qualified. So right here, you can see here it has full refund possible. Okay. Now, think about this. When I had a restaurant, I had to buy tens of thousands of dollars in product and services. Now, once I sold it, I didn't get refunded. I actually had to earn money, then repurchase the products to sell. Here, the company is saying, great job, and we're going to give you your full money back once you hit a couple parameters. So, what are those parameters? We're going to talk about that right now. This is a refund campaign. So, step one is buy the ultimate kit right here on A. Okay, how to qualify. Sustain your monthly Z4F auto order. That means your single product, maybe one balance oil, have that on a subscription each and every month, and do not miss that a month. If you do, you have to start all over again, right? But you have 12 months to be on auto ship, so you have to hit all 12 months. Then number C is get 25 premier customers. That's 25 products, okay? And it has to be done in your first 12 months. So a customer and a product is really the same thing. You could have one customer get 5 products, right? So it's not really 5 customers, it's 5 products, and that has to be on subscription. Qualify for A team means you have to have a minimum of 25 customers that equals to 125 credits. Each product has a credit attached to it. Like a balance oil is worth 4 credits, just give you an FYI. So if you had 25 customers at 5 credits each, that would be enough to be A team qualified. Okay, so that's that. That's the guarantee. The company has this promo going to the end of next year right now. They really, this is something that each person can easily do in the first 12 months. So thank you very much for listening to me here. And I am going to sign off in this video. Look at some of the other videos that we have. And if you have any questions about joining our team in our marketing company or grabbing the product, please get your information. Please look at the information, but take advantage of this market system. It's second to none. Thank you.